you got the board like that? Stretching is very vital. All right, boys. Plan for today is to get first chair, which is where we're walking to right now, and then I'm trying out Marco's board, which is a 151 Twinpig, I think. Yep. 151 Twinpig. I use it for half of the day, and then I'll give it back to JT for him to use, and then I'll go back to my board. I ate shit.
You ate shit?
Huh?
Oh, on that jump.
On that jump, yeah. But I like the board. I like the board. I think the size matters a lot. Or it changes.
Yeah. I can't put my edges.
Really?
But maybe since you're so used to this one now, that one's just so easy.
Yeah, kind of. Plan right now is to find Brandon and maybe the rest of the squad. JT and I did like 1 or 2 runs. Yeah, meet up with the gang, do a couple more runs, and then get lunch. All right, I'll see you down there. I like Marco's board, the Twinpig. It's nice. It's a lot smaller than my board, which is good. My board I think is too big for me. It's also true twin. Mine is a directional twin, which is kind of annoying sometimes. I think the big thing, it's also super flexible, this board. So it's easy to do butters and whatnot. A lot easier than mine. I just think I have the wrong size board because I didn't know any better. When I went to Breckenridge a couple years ago, that was the board they gave me, was a 156 Burton ripcord, I think. So I didn't know any better. But now that I've been snowboarding for a while, I think it's time for a new board because I've gotten better since my first time. And I want to do different things like 180s and whatnot. So I think I'm gonna get another board. Probably this year or this coming off season. If not, it'll be the next off season, but a new board is imminent. It's so cool. So pretty. We're waiting for Brandon because he's taking so long. Yeah. But JT's in a comfortable chair though. Right, JT?
Whatever you want to do.
Korean heart sign. There he is, man of the hour. Fucking took 18 hours to get here.
Why'd you go down?
Huh?
I thought we were meeting here.
You told me to do Burgess.
No, I said we're getting on Burgess.
Oh, pull up the receipts. Pull up the receipts.
I'm pretty sure it said
Pull up
get
the
on
receipts. Pull up the receipts.
That was
Get on Burgess, I mean.
yeah, that's what we were doing.
Okay, well that's what I got. That's what I did.
Well, we're here
That's
now.
a slow ass lift, okay?
Yeah,
It is a little slow.
Let's not do that one again.
I think we were going to. Nice, Brandon. I can feel a difference on the board. Back on my normal board, and it's just big. And it feels kind of like a lot of work moving around. So I think it was good that I tried Marco's board for a bit. It took JT a little getting used to the first run we did. Like, not wiping out, but like skidding out, because the board was just too big for him. Or he wasn't used to it, I guess. I know that guy. That guy right there, I know him. bad actually.
And guess what, baby? And guess what, baby? And guess what, baby? Yeah. And guess what, baby?
Plan right now is to do this run real quick. I don't know where I'm going. I need to follow JT and meet up with the rest of the gang for lunch. Ooh, I know this song.
Go to the Brooklyn Bridge whenever you go up to New York.
So annoying, bro. So annoying.
They got this song on repeat, dude.
It's only like the first, it's like 10 seconds of it.
Just to put this.
I recently went. I was like,
It's so annoying. It's so annoying.
Did we go?
For
What bridge did we go?
Ballsy's thing, no?
For Ballsy's thing.
Was that Brooklyn Bridge?
Yeah.
Did they play this song?
They have to. It's like a guarantee. Bro, stop like.
Dude, my fucking face is all red.
Oh my god.
My face all
You
red.
can't
down
hear
there.
it. I
Not
didn't
really. Oh, like a little bit right here on your nose.
I've been riding with them.
There's nothing you can
Oh yeah. Sing it to you.
do.
no, but
Just finished up lunch. Read some good haikus, right, JT? Yeah. Maybe I'll put some haikus in the comments or in the description. JT and I hit the train park this last run. Kind of exhausted now, so we're taking it easy. I think we're gonna skip out on the train park this run and just hit like a green, pretty easy green. Just taking it easy. So here's the situation. It's almost 3:40. Lift's closed at 4. JT and I are trying to hit the train park one more time and then get to the bottom before 4 so we can hit the train park one last time. 2 times a day. We'll see what happens. Gotta have faith. It's 3:50. I beat JT down. Oh, he's right there. Oh, he's money. He's money. We're both gonna make it to do one last run. That last train park was so sick. I hit a method, maybe, or an end. Whatever one your back hand touches the middle of the board. That's the one I did. Easy money. It's 350. So much time. Well, that was kind of fun though.
Yeah, it's hard as fuck.
We made it in time, so now this is Chipmunk for us. Right, JT?
Yes, sir.
Think we're gonna hit the train park one more time, and then hit the baby park with the half pipe, and see how that goes.
No, sir, everything's fine, everything. Where you find me? Run it overtime, it got cold as ice. Same overdose who put a hole inside me. Highs and lows, catapult, never leave your sights. Farmer knows, I'll try, I could look around, see another.
We found Brandon. He tried to take a shortcut going through this patch of snow here. And it saved him, I don't know, 10 seconds. And the hot tub's open. Sheesh. I'm done.
You got stuff here.
It's soup time. That means we put milk in the microwave, and then we put hot cocoa, and then we put Oreos on the inside of that. What are you doing?
Let's go. You see it?
No. Oh, that is a long hair. That's a super long hair.
That proves that I'm a man.
Yeah?
Is that how it works?
I need to get a beer. Oh, the sour's good? Cool. Good response. Dude, it's gonna be so cold.
Thank you.
Wait, let's make sure I have my. Okay, yeah. We're good. Yeah. Plan is to now shower, and then I think we're gonna go eat. JT, Brandon, and I, because whoops, the rest of the gang went to go to the hot springs. Yeah, this is the worst part though, is walking on asphalt, on this like asphalt, because of these little rocks. Ow! Brand doesn't give a fuck about anything.
It hurts so bad.
Dude, I know. Ow. See? Told you.
Good job. You need help?
Nah.
Come on, old man.
It's so hot in here.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time.
You need to be stretching.
I'm not stretching, or I haven't stretched, but I'm going to off camera. What that?
You're probably gonna go lift and do some workouts off camera too.
Fuck no. Hell no. Lifting, absolutely no.